Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage Google Wallet on Google Pixel 8. So basically, to manage Google Wallet, you'll need to find it in your app drawer right here, and if you can't find it, you'll need to download from the Play Store. And when you did, open it up. And here you can see your loyalty programs, all the passes. You can add a payment card. So basically, you can see this button right here. It's for adding something to a wallet. So basically, you can add a payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, and a digital pass, for example, a gym pass, or something like that. So basically, I'll show you how to add a payment card. You can scan it or enter details manually. So like this. Just type in the card number, month and the year, and the security code, and it will appear in your Google Wallet, and you can pay by your phone with that card. Then you can add a loyalty card, for example Lego. You can scan a barcode from the back of your loyalty card or enter manually the ID from the card. So basically that's it. That's how you manage a Google Wallet. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.